If links keep taking you to the app instead of directing you to the web, there are actually two reasons, and the fix depends on what you really want at the moment. So let's quickly go to Chrome and we search for, let's say, Instagram, and you click Instagram on the search. It brings you to the Google page and you click on Instagram. This takes you straight to the app. You can see we are on the Instagram app now, but this is not what we want. Now, when you search links on Google Chrome, what it does is that it automatically assumes that you want to open the link on the app, so it sends you to the app. But if you come over here and type Instagram.com, as you can see here now, this is the web page direct link. It doesn't redirect to the app. So open, and it takes you to Instagram.com, and now it asks you if you want to open Instagram or not. So right now, it's on the web page instead of the app. The same thing for YouTube. If you type youtube.com, it takes you to the YouTube web page instead of the app. Remember, if you type YouTube and you just click YouTube here, Google search actually assumes you want the app, so it takes you to the app. Now, that being said, number 2, if you are sent a link, maybe someone shares a YouTube link with you, a Facebook link with you, and you want to open the link on the browser instead of the app, let's try something. I have a link copied to my WhatsApp here. So this link now, if I were to click on it, naturally it will link me to the app. And I don't want it to take me to the app. So what I would do, I will copy the link, hold on to the link, copy, and go back to Chrome and paste the link. Now it takes you to the browser instead of taking you to the app. So this is another step. Now, thirdly, if you want to easily access links from your phone to the browser directly, this is the third method for Android 14. What you simply do, you come to Settings, you scroll down to Apps, you go to Manage Apps, click on the 3-dot icon at the top right, Other Settings, then you see Default Apps. So you scroll down to Opening Links. Now you see Instant Apps. It says Open Links in Apps even if they are not installed. So what you do now, you scroll down and you see the list of all the apps you have on your phone that will open links when need arises. So this is YouTube, for example. Now it has 6 verified links. You can see them all here. If I toggle this off now, that means any link that is of YouTube on my phone will lead me straight to the browser this time instead of the app. So let's try the link that we had copied on WhatsApp. So now we click on this link now. When we clicked it at first, it took us to the app. But now let's try again. Now we are on the browser. So it's different from copying the link directly. If this fix of toggling this off does not work for you, you can easily copy the link and take to your web browser, paste it there, and it will lead you to the web page. But if yours worked this way, you can come here easily and toggle it off. The old method doesn't work anymore when you have to hold on to the app icon, go to App Info, and try to clear defaults. Right now, it tells you no default is set, so this method does not work anymore. So this is how you can open links. Any way that works for you, work around it. There's always a way around. So if this video has given you value, please subscribe, like, share, and comment so that other persons can also get this value you're getting. Thank you very much for watching.